Now that you've downloaded dual controller software to your computers and attached them to your UltraWide monitor, it's time to turn it on. Couldn't be easier. You'll find a joystick button on the bottom of the screen. Pushing the button up turns things on. Pressing the joystick forward takes you to monitor off. Double-click the dual controller icon on your screen and you'll see the computers you're working with. One is designated as main, the other is titled sub. You'll be using the keyboard and mouse of the main computer. So, to keep things simple, just remember that HDMI in 1 designates your device as the main computer. To switch main and sub designations after you've plugged in, just click the small dual controller icon and switch modes. Now, click Apply Dual Controller. Before we continue to the Option tab, you'll want to activate the PBP feature, which stands for Picture by Picture. This built-in feature shows content from each computer on one ultra-wide monitor screen. To split your screen, toggle the joystick control to PBP, then set the on position. Something tells me you're going to be amazed by the brilliant color and clarity. Look how simple it is to navigate between screens. Back and forth mousing takes you from one screen to the other in one fluid motion. That's what makes dual controllers so easy and intuitive. To make it all happen, click Option. Then indicate your left and right computers. Here's a great shortcut to instantly toggle between the content on your main and sub computers. Choose a combination of 1 to 3 keys plus the right arrow button, and then click Check. With this quick key command, switching back and forth is a breeze. One of the beauties of dual controller is the way it streamlines transferring files to either computer. Things like photographs, Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, PowerPoint, you name it. Your files or folders will be transferred to your desktop. Just remember, there's a maximum file size of 2 gigs. To speed the process, create a shortcut of 1 to 3 keys along with the F7 key. Click Check, and you're on your way. Dual controller is one of the most exciting features of the ultra-wide monitor, so LG will be updating the software from time to time. Clicking Home Page link and adding your model number takes you to the latest available software, and you can always count on LG to send you software updates. This is a great time to remind you that LG's ultra-wide monitors are the only 21:9 displays featuring 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports. Thunderbolt transmits data more than 4 times faster than a USB 3.0. It's the feature every professional can count on. So, start with the ease of dual controller, add the speed of Thunderbolt, and you've got one dynamic duo.